Hello and welcome to my video of how to add my Halloween asset to your avatar. First, you will want to drag the prefab into the hierarchy, and you will want to unpack and then drag onto your avatar. Next, you will want to open up the hierarchy to the hands, then drag the right hand and the left hand onto the right spots. Next will be animations. I'm going to take this FX and drag it into animation for ease of access. First you will want to add a bool named bucket, all lowercase, no space, and add a submenu. You can name it whatever you want. I made a little picture. And then you can just look up that submenu. Then you will want to go into the here, copy that, and go into your FX, add the parameter bucket. Change this to 1, put a mask, go back, Control C, Control V, set state machine to idle, go back, copy that, make another layer, copy that, paste, make state machine idle. If you're using any other avatar that you will need to move the bucket, you do so by moving this left hand asset, and you can just click and drag or rotate wherever you want. Same with the right hand. There's this little candy here that you can use to place it in your hand. You can also scale it by doing this, the Halloween bucket, and you can scale it like that. If you scale it, you will also need to go into here and scale up the particles, or the particles will be small. After you get everything set, you'll want to turn off the skin mesh render so everything is hidden. And then you are ready to upload.